In this video, we will look into the temporary bus replacement under the transport menu. Temporary bus replacement. Firstly, we will do a new replacement. For this, we need to select the institute first, then the route. Next, we will select the original bus which has to be replaced. Then we will select the replacement bus in the place of original bus. Next, we will enter the replacement start date and also replacement end date. Then we will choose the status. Next, we will mention the reason for replacement. We can also add the note. Once all the fields are filled, then we will just enter create. Then a new replacement which is created will be displayed under the temporary bus replacements with route, original bus, replacement bus, start date, end date, status and also the reason. We can view the details about the replaced bus by choosing View option. All the details about the replacement bus will be displayed. Then we also have the Delete option to delete the replacement bus if needed. And we have Edit option to make any required changes in the details and update it. Changes made will be saved and displayed instantly. When we view the details, even the changes made will be updated. We have the search option where we can select the institute, even filter for selecting route, then selecting original bus or even the replacement bus. We can also search by looking into the status or by searching route bus number. This is all about the temporary bus replacement.